In the world of project management, spreadsheets, particularly Microsoft Excel, have long been a go-to tool for tracking tasks, managing data, and organizing information. They are flexible, widely understood, and almost universally available. However, as projects grow in complexity, require more collaboration, or demand real-time visibility, many teams find themselves hitting the limits of Excel and start looking towards more dynamic work management platforms like Smartsheet. Smartsheet, with its grid-based interface, often feels familiar to Excel users, making the transition less daunting. This familiarity naturally leads to a crucial question for anyone considering a move. Can I copy from Excel to Smartsheet? As a project management expert, I can confidently tell you, yes, you absolutely can copy data from Excel to Smartsheet, and this capability is one of the key reasons Smartsheet is so user-friendly for those transitioning from spreadsheets. Smartsheet is designed to facilitate this migration, understanding that many businesses start their journey with familiar tools like Excel. This ability to seamlessly transfer data is incredibly powerful. It means you don't have to start from scratch when moving your existing project plans, task lists, or contact databases into Smartsheet. This saves a tremendous amount of time and effort, making the adoption of Smartsheet much smoother and faster. Let's explore how this works and what you need to consider to make the transition as effective as possible. How to copy data from Excel to Smartsheet. The process of moving data from Excel to Smartsheet is remarkably straightforward, often as simple as a copy-paste operation, or by importing an entire file. Method 1. Copy-paste for specific data. This is the quickest way if you only need to bring over a portion of your Excel data or want to add rows/columns to an existing Smartsheet. Prepare your Excel data. Ensure your Excel data is clean and organized. Make sure each piece of information is in its correct cell and that there are no merged cells if possible, as this can sometimes cause formatting issues during the paste. Select the data in Excel. Highlight the cells in your Excel spreadsheet that you wish to copy. Copy the data. Use Ctrl+C, Windows, or CMD+C, Mac. Navigate to Smartsheet. Open your Smartsheet sheet where you want to paste the data. Select the destination. To paste into existing rows/columns, click on the top left cell where you want your pasted data to begin. To create new rows/columns. If you want to paste new rows, right-click on a row number and choose Insert Row, Above/Below, and then Paste. If you want new columns, right-click on a column header and choose Insert Column, Left/Right, and then Paste. Paste the data. Use Ctrl+V, Windows, or CMD+V, Mac. Smartsheet is intelligent enough to usually interpret the data correctly, placing values into existing columns or even creating new columns if the pasted data extends beyond your current sheet structure. Method 2. Importing an entire Excel file. If you have an entire project plan or dataset in an Excel file that you want to convert into a new Smartsheet, importing is the most efficient method. Prepare your Excel file. First row is headers. Ensure the first row of your Excel sheet contains clear column headers, e.g., task name, assigned to, due date. Smartsheet will use these as your column names. Data consistency. Check for consistent data types. For example, make sure all dates are in a recognizable date format, and all numbers are formatted as numbers. No merged cells. Again, avoid merged cells in Excel if possible, as they can sometimes lead to unexpected results during import. In Smartsheet, from the Solutions menu, or by clicking the plus icon to create new, select Import Spreadsheet or New, Import Microsoft Excel. Browse and select Choose your Excel file from your computer. Follow the import wizard. Smartsheet will guide you through a few steps. Sheet selection. If your Excel workbook has multiple sheets, you'll choose which one to import. Header row confirmation. Confirm which row contains your column headers. Column type mapping, optional but recommended. This is a crucial step. Smartsheet will try to guess the column types, e.g., text/number, date, drop-down list, contact list. Review these suggestions and adjust them as needed. For example, if you have a status column in Excel, you might want to map it to a drop-down list column type in Smartsheet, and then define the allowed values, e.g., not started, in progress, complete. This ensures Smartsheet leverages its full functionality. Import. Once confirmed, Smartsheet will create a new sheet with your Excel data. Key considerations for a smooth transition. While copying and importing are straightforward, a little preparation can go a long way in ensuring your data translates perfectly and that you can immediately leverage Smartsheet's power. Column headers are gold. Always make sure your Excel data has clear, concise headers in the first row. These will become your column names in Smartsheet and are fundamental for organizing your data. Understand column types. Smartsheet has various column types: text/number, date, checkbox, drop-down list, contact list, symbols, etc. Before importing, consider how you want each piece of data to behave. For instance, if you have a column 4 assigned to, converting it to a contact list column in Smartsheet allows you to assign tasks to specific users, integrate with their Smartsheet accounts, and enable notifications. A status column is often best as a drop-down list or symbol column in Smartsheet for consistent reporting and visual cues. Due date columns should always be mapped as date columns for calendar views and automated reminders. Avoid merged cells. As mentioned, merged cells in Excel can sometimes break the tabular structure during import, leading to data misalignment. Unmerge cells in Excel before importing for the best results. Clean your data. Take a moment to remove any unnecessary rows, columns, or inconsistent formatting in your Excel file. Garbage in, garbage out applies here. A clean source file leads to a clean Smartsheet. Hierarchy. Indentation. If your Excel sheet uses indentation to show subtasks or hierarchical relationships, Smartsheet can often recognize this during import and create parent-child relationships automatically. However, ensure the indentation is consistent. Formulas versus values. When copying and pasting, typically only the values are pasted. If your Excel sheet relies heavily on complex formulas for calculations, these formulas will not transfer directly into Smartsheet formulas. You'll need to recreate similar logic using Smartsheet's formula engine, which is very powerful but different from Excel's.